Welcome to the BadAce tactical installation videos. Our 1022 Forend chassis comes with a free-floated carbon fiber handguard. It allows you to mount a micro red dot sight or a scope with a Picatinny base. It works with a factory stock. Or you can also upgrade to our aluminum 1022 TakeDown chassis. First, let's replace the Forend stock with a BadAce Forend chassis. It comes with two options, a micro red dot base and a Picatinny rail base for scopes. Unscrew the takedown screw and remove the original Forend stock. Depress the locking plunger and pull the locking lever out. Take out the locking plunger detent and spring, and set aside. Unscrew two mounting screws and remove the aluminum block. We will replace the aluminum block with the BadAce Forend block and optic base in the next steps. Remove the rear sight leaf on a sporter barrel. Punch from left to right with the muzzle pointing forwards. Slide the barrel into the BadAce Forend chassis.
Screw the two mounting screws in, but do not tighten yet.
Apply thread locker to threads. Install the optic base on the aluminum block. Tighten 4 screws evenly on both sides. The shank of the barrel is now firmly clamped by the optic base and the chassis block.
Now tighten the two mounting screws and install the locking plunger.
Put the locking plunger spring, locking plunger detent, and locking plunger back into the aluminum block. Depress the locking plunger and push the locking lever back into the locking plunger body until you hear it click. You can also choose the micro red dot base that is compatible with most micro red dot sights on the market. After the aluminum block replacement, you may need to adjust the locking clamp position. Loosen the two barrel retainer screws and push the locking clamp upwards, then tighten the two barrel retainer screws. We also offer an aluminum carbon fiber butt stock chassis for the 1022 TakeDown. Unscrew the stock takedown bolt and remove the receiver trigger group assembly. Put the receiver trigger assembly into the chassis and tighten the takedown screw. Tighten the receiver clamping bolts from both sides of the chassis.